Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll cover the top 50 questions and answers every chemistry student needs to know about the introduction to chemistry. Let's jump in. Section 1. Basic concepts of chemistry. Q1. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter, its properties, how it interacts, and the changes it undergoes. Q2. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Q3. What are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Q4. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Q5. What is volume? Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. Section 2. Atomic structure. Q6. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. Q7. What are the three subatomic particles? Protons, neutrons, and electrons. Q8. What charge does a proton have? Positive. Q9. What charge does a neutron have? Neutral. Q10. What charge does an electron have? Negative. Q11. Where are protons and neutrons located? In the nucleus of an atom. Q12. Where are electrons located? In orbitals around the nucleus. Section 3. Elements and compounds. Q13. What is an element? A pure substance made of only one type of atom. Q14. What is a compound? A substance made from two or more different elements chemically combined. Q15. What is a molecule? Two or more atoms bonded together. Q16. What is a chemical formula? It shows the elements in a compound and the ratio of atoms. Q17. What does H2O represent? A molecule of water made of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. Section 4. The periodic table. Q18. Who created the periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Q19. What does the periodic table show? The arrangement of all known elements by increasing atomic number. Q20. What is an atomic number? The number of protons in an atom. Q21. What is an atomic mass? The total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Q22. What are groups on the periodic table? Vertical columns with elements that have similar properties. Q23. What are periods? Horizontal rows on the periodic table. Q24. What are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids? Metals are good conductors, nonmetals are poor conductors, and metalloids have properties of both. Section 5. Chemical reactions. Q25. What is a chemical reaction? A process where substances change into new substances. Q26. What are reactants and products? Reactants are starting materials. Products are the new substances formed. Q27. What is a chemical equation? A symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. Q28. What does it mean to balance a chemical equation? Making sure the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides. Q29. What are signs of a chemical reaction? Color change, gas production, temperature change, precipitate formation. Section 6. Physical and chemical properties. Q30. What is a physical property? A characteristic that can be observed without changing the substance. Q31. What is a chemical property? A characteristic that describes how a substance reacts. Q32. What is a physical change? A change that doesn't alter the identity of the substance. Q33. What is a chemical change? A change that results in a new substance. Section 7. Measurement and lab safety. Q34. What units are used in chemistry? SI units, like grams, liters, meters, and Kelvin. Q35. What is accuracy versus precision? Accuracy is how close a measurement is to the true value. Precision is how repeatable it is. Q36. What is density? Mass divided by volume, D equals M over V. Q37. What tool measures volume? A graduated cylinder. Q38. What is a meniscus? The curved surface of a liquid in a cylinder. Read from the bottom of it. Q39. Name one key lab safety rule. Always wear goggles when working with chemicals. Q40. What should you do if there's a chemical spill? Alert the teacher immediately and follow safety protocols. Section 8. Mixtures and solutions. Q41. What is a mixture? A combination of two or more substances that are not chemically bonded. Q42. What is a homogeneous mixture? A mixture with uniform composition throughout, like salt water. Q43. What is a heterogeneous mixture? A mixture where you can see the different parts, like salad. Q44. What is a solution? A homogeneous mixture where one substance dissolves in another. Q45. What is solubility? The ability of a substance to dissolve in a solvent. Q46. What are solute and solvent? Solute is the substance being dissolved. Solvent is the one doing the dissolving. Section 9. Acids, bases, and pH. Q47. What is an acid? A substance that releases H+ ions in solution. Q48. What is a base? A substance that releases O- ions in solution. Q49. What is the pH scale? A scale from 0 to 14, measuring how acidic or basic a substance is. Q50. What pH is neutral? 7 is neutral, like pure water. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more chemistry videos. Drop your questions below. I might answer them in the next video.